Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to withdraw funds from your Bluevine credit line. Now, once your Bluevine credit line is approved, withdrawing funds is quick and flexible. You can draw only what you need when you need it, and here's how to do it. First, log into your Bluevine dashboard via the website or mobile app. Then go to the credit line section, and here just click draw funds or request funds. Go ahead and enter the amount that you want to draw. Remember, you can withdraw any amounts up to the available credit limit. Now select the destination account. By default, funds go to your Bluevine business checking account, but you can also send them to a linked external account. Confirm the transfer request. Bluevine will typically deposit the funds the same business day or within 24 hours, depending of course on the time of your request. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.